Craving waffles but living a restrictive diet? This video shows you how to make delicious fluffy waffles that are vegan, egg-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, and even oat flour and banana-free. I'll guide you through a simple recipe using only wholesome ingredients that will leave you amazed.